Do you want to learn how to use ChatGPT Search, the new feature that they just added recently, this button, which says search the web? In this video, I'll help solve that problem. So currently, if you're on the free plan, you would not be able to see the search the web icon. You would need to upgrade to the paid plan of ChatGPT. If you are on mobile, you would be able to see the search icon. Now, because I am on the paid plan, I am able to see the search the web icon, and soon they are going to release this feature to all free members as well. Now, what this search the web icon does is, if we click on this, it's going to search the web with the help of ChatGPT. Now, I know that you can, in the message, without this feature, you can just say search the web. Click on this icon and you will find some of these options. Next to it, you will see a trending icon like this. These are all trending searches. So let's click on this third one, which is Mark Cuban. And it says it's searching the web. And it gave us a biography of Mark Cuban and Shark Tank and investments. Next to it, we have people. So these are all the citations. And also the recent news, the net worth and everything. If you click on this sources, we will see the citations. And next to each of these sections, you will see this. If you click this, you can read the entire article where this whole section is taken from. Now I'm going to search a few things to show you the power of the search the web feature. The first one is let's type in search for latest news on Donald Trump. And it's going to search in real time. And it's going to show you all the details which happened recently and the latest developments as well. And then you can click on each of these links and read the whole entire article. And this sources, this opens up citations on the right. Now next up, I'm going to search for weather in Singapore. And this time it's going to give us this table format. It also adds these icons. If you do it on a free account, it's not going to bring these icons here. And it also shows the real-time data. Like today, it's 89 degrees and such. And also what's going to happen today, like mostly cloudy with periods of rain, this thing, the sources, and where it took the data from. You can also search for images from the web. So let's say, for example, I want images of Nintendo Switch, the second version that is coming up. And I do not want to go around Google to find these images. I can just say here, search for the latest Nintendo, switch to pictures and search for it. And it's going to search the web and it's going to bring in all the good high quality images so that you do not have to go in to Google Images and search for these images yourself. And now it also gives us these some information regarding Nintendo Switch 2, most accurate and up-to-date information, and the source. It took all this information from IGN, which is a trusted source in gaming. Now, when you click on these images, it'll give you this gallery type of format. It's like a slideshow, so you can use your arrow keys on your keyboard, left or right, to scroll through these images. And with every image is also going to give you this on the bottom left, where did this image came from. So you can read the whole article from here. Like if I click this, it's going to take us to this page. Now, for example, you can also search for cars, search for the images of new 2025 Nissan Supra in all angles. And it's going to search the web and get you all the images. And these images are not AI generated images. ChatGPT is going to the web and finding these images in real time. And you can also see the sources where it took these images from. Use the arrow keys to navigate. And then you can just right click and save image as and download it to your computer. Now, the last thing I want to say is that the search the web icon, if you do not see it currently, you are probably on the free plan and it's not rolled out to all the users yet. Soon it's going to roll out to all the users and then you'll be able to see it. Or I think there is another loophole. If you have a mobile, you can go to Play Store and download the ChatGPT app and open it up. And inside this, without getting the Plus version of ChatGPT, you can access the search feature from here. And I do not have the paid plan on this account and I can access the search feature. They also released an extension for ChatGPT Search. It will change your default search engine, which could be a Google search, into ChatGPT Search. You can add it to Chrome. It's available on Chrome Web Store. And now if you search something from new tab on your search bar, search something, what's the weather today? It's going to take you over to ChatGPT and it's going to search it here. And if you want to use Google search, just use this exclamation mark G, and then type in your query. And this time it's going to take you over to Google search instead of ChatGPT search. So this is how to use the new ChatGPT search feature. Did this video help solve your problem? Let me know with a like and comment.